Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to save your CapCut video edits to your gallery. So here save means exporting, so I'm going to show you how you can export your project in CapCut. So after you finish your edit, here to export you can just basically click on the arrow up in here at the top right corner. But before exporting, you can also adjust here. You can see this box right here. You can adjust the resolution, the frame rate in here, and also the code rate of your project. And after you're finished, just click on the arrow and your project will be exporting and will be saved to your gallery. Okay guys, so that's a simple tutorial from me. I hope it will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Bye.